I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Ipsy unboxing. This is my first Ipsy I've had. And I got it for free because my sister and my niece do it. So I guess they had a deal going on where you can like send someone one for free, which was great because I've been wanting to try it for a long time. This is what the bag looks like this month. It has like butterflies in the front. It has a lavender like violet color on the other side, which I really like as well. So when I open up the bag, it comes with a little card. I guess the theme is social butterfly. It says, "Fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now." True, that's true. So the first thing I grab in the bag is this brush. I think it's like specifically for the crease. It's really cute. I haven't heard of the brand Ruby, but let me just feel the brush. I want to see like what it feels like. It's like really soft. I like it, and I like when brushes have like the little white like tip on the hairs. I like that. That's nice. I like that. Alright, well, I'm excited to try that. My Birchbox has never gotten a brush, which I'm really sad, but I heard Ipsy gets quite a few brushes if you do the subscription. So yeah, maybe I'll try that because I do love getting brushes. The next thing in the brush...
What did you just say?
The next thing in the bag is this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I'm very familiar with these. It's in Stockholm, which I've heard of. I think I might have this. I might have to check. I love the smell. They always make them smell so good. But yeah, that's a pretty color. I'm very into neutrals and nudes, so I'm really excited to try that. The next thing I have is this Trust Fund Beauty That Liquid Glow liquid highlighter. So this is it's in lit. That's what it says. Okay, let's see. I don't have a liquid highlighter and I really want one because I love highlighter in general. This is what it looks like. That's like really nice. That's like nice packaging. Okay, it has like a nice smell to it. Let's try it. I'm confused. Oh, okay, it's taking some time. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can see that, but it does give a glow to it, which I really like. Thankfully it does, because there's been many times where I've opened a liquid highlighter or a highlighter in general and it has no glow, so that's cool. I can't wait to try that. Nice, and I like the packaging too, it's cute. Okay, the next thing I have is this Filorga Paris Miso Mask. It's a smoothing radiance mask. Okay, well, I do love masks, so I'm excited about that. Okay, so oh my god. So it is white. Let me just like put it on my hand. Okay, so that feels really nice. It honestly gives a glow too. I like that. It smells good. It's like really, it almost feels like a moisturizer, so we'll see how that goes. I want to see how it works. Yeah, I'm loving this so far. I'm like actually so happy with the products I'm getting. The last thing I got is this eyeshadow. It's Meech and Mia, that's the brand, and it's in copper. I don't know if you can see it. That is so pretty. I'm a big copper lover, so I love this. And I don't have any like copper colors right now in my like makeup collection, so I'm so excited to use this. I don't think it's broken. I think it's just like a loose powder, which I like as well. I hope it's not broken. I hope this is not broken and it's just like a loose powder. But yeah, I like this. It's nice. It's a nice color. I can definitely use this for the spring. I'm definitely up for that. The one thing I noticed is that they don't really, like with Birchbox, they usually have like a list of all the products and descriptions. Ipsy doesn't have that, but I guess I can easily just go online and look at them on my phone. But yeah, that was it for my Ipsy box. I'm really happy. Like these things, like I can definitely use all of these. I'm so excited. If you want more videos like this and if you want me to continue doing Ipsy, let me know and click that like button. All the items I mentioned are in the description. And yeah, I hope you have a good day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!